Welcome to this tutorial on how to do DoorDash pickup in 2025. As a delivery driver, being able to efficiently complete pickups is crucial for providing excellent customer service and maximizing your earnings. First, make sure you have the latest version of the DoorDash app installed on your phone and that you are logged into your account. Once you receive a pickup request, the app will provide you with the restaurant details, including the address and the estimated pickup time. Upon arriving at the restaurant, find a convenient parking spot and proceed to the designated pickup area, which is usually indicated in the app or marked with a DoorDash sign. Inform the staff that you are there for a DoorDash pickup and provide them with the order number, which can be found in the app. The staff will then hand you the order, which you should verify against the details in the app to ensure everything is correct and complete. If there are any issues with the order, such as missing items, notify the restaurant staff and contact DoorDash support through the app. Once you have confirmed that the order is accurate, take a photo of the order in the app to confirm pickup. This step is important as it helps DoorDash track the status of the order and ensures that you receive credit for the pickup. After confirming the pickup, get back in your vehicle and start navigating to the customer's location using the in-app map. The app will provide you with the most efficient route and an estimated delivery time. When you arrive at the customer's location, follow the in-app instructions for delivering the order, which may include taking a photo of the order at the doorstep or obtaining a signature from the customer. By following these steps and best practices, you can efficiently complete DoorDash pickups and provide excellent service to your customers. Remember to always follow safety guidelines, be respectful to restaurant staff and customers, and use the app to report any issues or concerns.